ɛna yɛba bɛdi nsɛm ɛfa Ghana ho no ɛna mene omienu yɛba bɛbobo ho na afei yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na asɛm no sɛdeɛ ɛsitie no yɛaka no saa baabi a wɔse yɛde to no nso no na yɛde akɔto ɛno nti ɛyɛ de yɛfa Ghana ho nti no mɛsrɛ no mapawakyɛw sɛ wobɛjoin yɛ anɔpa yi na afei nkɔmmɔ ahodoɔ a ɛbɛkɔ so no wɔn nso wode wadwenkyerɛ ɛde aba WhatsApp line no ɛyɛ 0509 438 500 0509 438 500 na wode wadwenkyerɛ de aba Facebook nso a wojoin yɛ a na afei nso wode wadwenkyerɛ nso ɛde ato aseɛ bara anɔpa yi ma mensrɛ wo na yɛ ade ketewa bi ɛde ma me wojoin yɛ wɔ Facebook na like na commenti uwia no ahye sebe ya wunua wo baby no so betumi a join conversation no na ya interact yi na de fa Ghana ho na dwenkyira hodo bia no ode aba na fi ya didi sankomo no anopa yi na yatumi aboa atwempanyifo adwen ede ase niema ba akomie no bi so fi say the power emanates from Kwame Nkwantabisa ne wo a wutie me no ye nyina ɛna akɔakɔhyɛ mpanyifo no nsa ɛno nti ɛwɔ sɛ adekyeɛ bia no deɛ ne a me ne umienu yɛpɛ no ɛno ne ɛwɔ so wɔ mo yɛ ɛno ho anamo ne ɛwɔ so wɔ mu tu ɛno ho adwendwen ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn de ka wɔn plans ho sɛ bɛyɛ a wɔn bɛtu anamo ɛsɛ fata ɛde ama yɛ nyina. So join us this morning, let's converse, let's interact, let's talk Ghana na yehu said yeah Etienne. I promise you this morning say the program no be inquisitorial, be provocative, and we will ask curious questions and so the amount ni agya no ye de ama wo kasa fidie so but answer na no pay me pese me no chebiri be ketu abi enra minua Nkwantabisa no chebiri bi or say in this life you must have a pattern. Because we need partner obi ade wo be ye de opa bia anti tam bia betumi afro na de wakwa akodi 77 hunu bia na no pai de amenso me ne wo eche e bibi kitu abi me de toa de nra Nkwantabisa de ma wo and so and de me ne wo che me say remember there's only one you in this world. Remember there is only one you in this world. And that in itself is your power. In this world, there is only one you. And that in itself is your power. As I see you, no, hey, what would you mean? Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa Mansa, your friend Barbara, or your friend Kelvin, your friend Santia. It is only you. You only have you in this world. And that you know is your power. That you as being Kelvin, when you come adwuma ho, se ba adwuma samo you are so serious on it, no. That is your power because that can transform your life. That can change your life for you today. So ya Kwame Nkwantabisa say we are disciplined. What the obi awade na say ompa obeka kire no anampo obi sisiwa you will move on from the person. You will not live with the person. That's your power. Define yourself very well. Get to know who you are. Because if you know who you are, that is when you begin to know the power you carry. So when who ni power ya, unhu tumia nyankopon edi amao, unhu tumia ekutao. In this life, obia woni tumia ekutano, but as to kwanya obefa so ayusu wo tumi na ekutao no, asa.
Sompa FM.
Asa. So when we nipa su a wo ye ni we nipa ban a wo ye wan define wo hu ye no wan hu tumi ekutawa untumi nya bibia wasasi so da bia obi na be kire de wo ye just like enro na Nkwantabisa e kana da bia obi na be kire de wo ye anamo a wo se wutu ansa na watu. But if you define yourself well, you get to know the power you carry. And people will identify you. Say when you mention the name Kwame Nkwantabisa, when you mention the name Nkwantabisa, when you mention the name IBG, when you mention the name Barbara, when you mention the name Obeda, asimasi de say no city. Asimasi de way de won't me farm for the name. Asimasi de woni ni dilia kwan way not here. That's your power. Define yourself well. Know yourself well, so that you can live well before you leave. Because Danny Denina Meka say, if you don't live well, wankasa kora wani nyi wasasi so by living well is like choosing who you are, who you want to be, and the path, the pattern wofa so. Nti aropa yi obia nyankopon abo obia no wo tumi bi ekuta wo na otumi hu sa tumi ni yie na wo identify sa tumi ni yie a eno na asase so ni asetena mu ni abrabo yi mu obetumi adi nkonim ewo so. But say who the who you are, na who the power you carry there be ebeyire. So you be a open okreka, this is you, that's your power. So you be a what you want to me mfa bone nche this nipa no why be ateneka ebe ma manfo hu say asimasi de wudi ne bone obete oka enti obi amfa bone niu because when him say so ye wa wo mfa nche no obete oka. That's your power. That's your power. Get to know who you are. Because if you get to know who you are, you can live well on this earth. Tiano pa imesrao. Dia wutie bia pena hunu na ope hunu a abrabono wanya utumi ekuta. Oh, what you utumi de boneche. What ye wade na ye wo yase den kra na. Or the better. And so you are able to live with everybody. That's your power. That is your power. Oh, what dear, so be di obi ho kwankwansa wuntumi nkuta. Obema nipa na hu se me mekwa akoka kire simasi enti ebasa na nipa no opetronic kwankwansa bi edi obi ho asem bi aka omma wo nchen because onim se wo de simasi de uko di trochre now but to individually yenyina ye otumi ahodo ekuta yen para kase ye be hunu kwa ye be faso ekuta tumi no. So me Kwame Ejako oya made na I can contain, I'll forgive you. If I can't contain na wo se me ma hu amemo hu say hu hia say I have to move on now I leave you behind, I'll just leave you behind. That's me. Eti me bra ba ko besie I say, hey, Kwame, no. So Onyaka say he's done with you, he's done with you for good and for life. That's me. If I can contain, excuse my language, your nonsense, I'll contain it. But if I can no longer contain it, I'll leave you, I'll go my way. So I always let you know how to deal with me, how to walk with me, move with me, and live with me. You have that power in you. Masa power no enedi. Ye fro Kelvin, ye fro Santi, ye fro Obeda. Shase pe na hu nipa wo ye. Uyo bi atade bone chentem. Uyo bi a womfo ankwase asem so. Uyo bi a petrol. Uyo bi a chese wo de nipa mut na ompe. You always want to set na wankasa wa create niema for yourself. And now say wo de uyo bi a say you want to rely on people for people to guide you to be able to build whatsoever you want to do. Is that who you are? Get to know yourself. Build yourself around it because that's your power. Our sasi so. Ubia woni tumi ekuta no asasi so. But say why hu a ebe yere dia ba. Thank you very much. Sanopa yi woni me ache bibi ketua wi. Amejiri yese wo di bedi juma. Aropa yi Ade Akye sa wo hwe wo bre na minute no nsia e na aka na no pa no nso e dia bo. Ensem debre e na ekos wo man Ghana okopie mu Ayawa so East. Ayawa so East member of parliament wo ho ene on tiasibiem wewu na enkoma ebobo eba ne se ne yire ena unity yakoba meba be kiro member of parliament be ne wu ye electoral commission a declare seat no vacant na ne yire no nso wa declare ni intent so be ba pre sa dibre no ana se ne sitie na yire no nso ye nkramoni na no pa mi de wo be wura enkomo ba ko mienu bi mu nti nkoba bia me de wo be wura Quran no mu nso after say ne yire no declare ni intent say opeso okọ pa okoye parliamentary ye candidate no contest nothing o ba be member of parliament e ma Ayawa so East no e de na Quran no e de ka at this time ni kunu nso afiri mu no e de na Quran na ka na the percentage say obetumi a win no enso te saying I was so and as a saying the city, Jenny dear was so ye answer. yɛba yɛbɛdi saa nneɛma yi ho nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ kasafidie so ntinti kasafidie no mfiri a we have a lot to talk to you about. Sanso ena NPP nso ene yen koma no dodo na ebewura mu wa NPP fo mo enra omko sign peace pact ya kire se ye to aba wi a ha wo mu nyina be conduct omo ena ye koto aba yi nso a during and after said ye omu nyina nso be conduct omo ho ensem bi sisi wo abra na wo mo sign peace pact no mu e de ensem na sisi ye openi mu bi to anamo bi wo abra no omo sign peace pact no mu edien anamontu no tu ye ho nsem akwakoye bebire amanfo ekeka ho nsem anopa yi nso ye bewura mu na fe ye di nkomo ye bebo omode ya na yensa ka political analyst na fe ye di nkomo ni ahwe is it barely a week on the 31st of January nti watch na me da yi na watch na NPP for kwakoye omo flag bearer going into that election in a party no was womu year this time round sebeya after the election no entity mu ni nchichemu emma party no mu sebeya after the election no the party can mend all the wounds sebeya after the elections no party no betumi aye behind the scenes surgery na fe ekuro makomienu ewo hodom no ya miemie ni nyina ma na wu die na party ne be ya after the election no ebe ya kono ebe ya attractive again no matumi agina wo manan so. We will discuss all of this because they are the biggest opposition party. Yeah, you hear almost say they will keep the government of the day on his toes. Now a bind so to me 2 and more. Now I remind you a bind say when 2 and more be year, there's a party in waiting or your least mistake as our party no so ebe to me about bemo. And so we will talk about all of these things. We need this opposition parties. Now to me boy, now divers of opinions na se for to me about bonting. Tiebe ram ebe din komo. Kennedy o hina Japan. O kikan ho kakra. De na oyeye ebe ram na fi yedi nkomo ne ahwese de ho nsem no esitie. Ghana Police Service IGP nso say why so ready for NPP elections yi. No matter to say ekuo bi ayi omuti say wo mu be tu anamon bi during this election. Ghana Police said they are so ready for these people. And until sa election year ba bekoso no sabi omo maho kwan mansem hunu ne sabi nkwase asem bia nkoso bebia. They are so ready for this election. How ready are they? You better try to say you betumi akopie Ghana Police Service aso yen so na fe yenu omo din komo ehye ye gu akwan mu sabe ya asumdwie ne de wose ye nya wo election yi mo no ye betumi anya yansanso ebetumi aka ewo eye ehonom. So we will talk a lot about all of these things right after sports no ye ba ye do be ram na fi edin komo ye be analysis ba kum ye no bi Nkwantabisa ba be di atrase na fi di ram ni ya analysis ba kum ye no bi ansana ye wia ye be dwafon so aba betena se ne ye din komo but shadow so say free next week econo we are trying very well say we will engage this candidates aspirants no womo nkofo free Monday copying Friday na fi so free Brian asoye Kennedy asoye Baumi asoye na ye de safo na ba na fi ya reserve ya post NDC for no so that these people will come and give their message to the delegate no mbeto aba across the 276 no wo message omo de mo senti and na wo say wo to aba e de ma wo candidate no na agigigi ni nyina nso e de ama kasa fidie so ye ba nso ye de ubewuram nipa dodo say na kwakoto aba no polling stations dodo saying and our polling centers do saying so near beto abano across the country about one because so we will bring you all of these analysis sebeya also benyam tiase so you delegate now koto a obehu bebia abekwa koto de anampo when you delegate na wo interest our the upcoming NPP flag bearership race na and also yama wanyan tiase wo honti mamemfa onsi ember power abedi yetrase na fe tidbits around the world of sports na no pay or their bro. Me din de Kwame Nkwantabisa. Ti Ember Power take over.